The Taos hum is a mysterious phenomenon that has haunted the residents of Taos, New Mexico since the early 1990s. Numerous people in and around the town reported hearing a persistent, low-frequency humming sound, often described as a distant engine or rumbling noise. What makes the Taos hum unsettling is its subjective nature. Not everyone can hear it, and there's no consistent source that has been identified. The phenomenon has sparked debates and investigations involving scientists, researchers, and even the U.S. government. Various theories have been proposed, including natural geological sounds, industrial activity, or even psychological factors. However, despite efforts to pinpoint the cause, the origin of the Taos hum remains unclear. The persistent, unexplained noise continues to intrigue and unsettle those who experience it, making it a mysterious and eerie part of Taos's modern history.